it's me Vibhinta once again welcoming you back to another episode of the Essential Makeup Series. A makeup series where we talk about real makeup for real women. So let me ask you this question. Why do you wear makeup? Ask any woman why she wears makeup and you'll probably get one of three answers. A very sheepish, well, I wear it because people say it makes me look good. Or, I don't wear makeup, I don't believe in all of these superficial things. Or, a very confused, no, I don't really wear makeup, I only wear some lipstick and kajal. So let me ask you ladies, why do you wear makeup? Why do you wear makeup? Why do you wear makeup? The reason I'm asking you this question is to help you identify your makeup goals. Yes, you heard me right. Your makeup goals. Confused about what they are? Well, let me tell you. Your makeup goal is determined by two factors. The first one being your physicality. That is, your skin type and texture, your age, your personal coloring, your facial features, and your overall face shape. That means your goal should sound something like, I want younger looking skin. I want my skin to look brighter. I want my face to look thinner. I want my face to look longer. I want my eyes to look bigger. I want my lips to look fuller, and so on. There can be so many of those. It's almost like a wish list of what we think our perfect face should look like. The second very crucial factor that determines your makeup goal is the message that you want to send. Let me explain this. Every time you're putting on makeup, ask yourself where, when, why, who, and what. Where am I going? Question number one. Is it going to be indoors or is it going to be outdoors? What is going to be the mood of the place? Question number two. When am I going? Is it morning or is it going to be evening? Is it summer or is it winter? The third question is why am I going? That basically means what is it that you hope to achieve when you're there? The fourth, who? Who are the people who are going to see you there? Is it going to be your office colleagues? Is it going to be family, friends, social circle? And the last question is what? What is the message that I want to send? What is it that I want them to notice about me? Is it that I'm beautiful? Am I trying to say I'm serious, I'm younger, I'm older, I'm sexy, I'm confident, I'm focused on my work? What is the message? Once you learn to identify your makeup goals, you start thinking about makeup as a resource, a tool that you have in your hands to achieve your life goals. And that gives you clarity about the kind of makeup you need to wear, how much makeup should you wear, and how much should you invest in it. So in this video today, I'm going to talk about 4 makeup goals which many of you might have, and I'm going to show you how to achieve those 4 different looks. The 4 makeup goals that I'm going to talk about are makeup to look younger, makeup to look older, makeup for work, and makeup to party. How does that sound? So let's get started.
I want to look younger. This makeup goal sends the message approachable, friendly, impressionable, and cute. Think about when these messages might be appropriate for your life goals. It's definitely not something I would use at a board meeting. Starting with a clean face and a high ponytail, to achieve this look, I used some rose water to freshen my skin and prepped my skin with some facial oil. I'm only using a concealer on my under eyes and some spots and skipping the heavy powdering, base and contouring. And I love the natural pinkish flush that my liquid cheek stain gives me for this look. I use the tight lining technique to have an invisible eyeliner, and the nude eye pencil makes them look bigger and brighter. Loads of mascara finishes off the eyes. Finishing off this look with nude glossy lips. And here's the finished look. A dewy glow, tightened pores, more brightness, fewer shadows and a flush of pink health. I want to look older. Yes, this too can be a makeup goal. The messages sent are authority, credibility and maturity or seniority. I use this when I have corporate meetings or networking events. I started with a clean face and a side-swept ponytail, and for this look I've used a mattifying foundation and powder. Matte eyeshadows in taupe and brown help create depth in the eyes. And I'm contouring my eye socket with a deep brown eyeshadow. I further intensify my eyes with deep kohl on the top and bottom lids and use loads of mascara. Contouring with a matte brown, which is 3 shades darker than my skin tone, helps create angularity and a stronger face structure. A little bit of blush and a little bit of highlighter completes the face. I outlined my lips and I'm going to add a stain resistant technique to my deep creamy wine matte finish lipstick to complete the look. And here it is. This look says boss babe all the way. Office makeup should say professional, capable and successful. Here's a quick, easy hairstyle for work that needs 3 bobby pins and 5 minutes of your time. Your workplace makeup should say that you spend time on yourself but not show you as someone vain or frivolous. I'm going to start with a clean skin and take off everything except my mascara. The focus needs to be on looking healthy and well groomed. I'm starting with my favorite Fit Me foundation applied sparingly, and also some under eye concealer and powder to set my base. Next, I'm going to groom my eyebrows and use an eyeliner to define my eyes. A bit of kohl under the eye and skipping the trouble of any eyeshadow. A slight flush on my cheeks using a coral blusher, a nude lipstick which stays all day, and that's the full look. But here's one last check. The lighting in his offices is always white, so check your makeup under white light to make sure there are no flaws. So that's it. Easy peasy and real quick. Makeup goal number 4 is makeup to party. This is where you can go all out and experiment. Use colors, shimmer, shine, do bold lips and smoldering eyes. Starting with extra concealer and lots of powder under the eyes, this is called baking. I'm using my trusty palette to create a layer of eyeshadows, starting with a basic light color, intensifying it with some dark smoke and topping it off with a shimmery grey. This is how you do smoky eyes for real life. Now I'm going to use a thin line of kajal and smudge it for more intensity and top it off with a liquid liner to create a winged look. Now adding a smudged out kajal for extra drama and highlighting the inner corners of my eyes with a light shimmer to brighten them up. Here's a quick tip. Clean off the extra eyeshadow from your lashes before applying lots of mascara. Dust off the powder and start contouring your face. I decided to do my nose as well. Blend your blusher into your contour and add highlights for extra pop and sizzle. I'm going to do bright red lips. Dusting my lips with loose powder makes my lipstick non-transferable. Add highlighter to your cupid's bow to create a pout. And free those tamed terraces to create volume and va-va-voom. And there it is. You're done. It's party time. So that's it. 4 makeup goals achieved with one tiny makeup kit. If you want a step-by-step tutorial for any of the looks, put it in the comments below. And if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe for many more videos of real makeup for real women, where we look great without too much effort, time or money. Till next time, stay real. Bye.